Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today it's all about fitness hacks. I discovered 12 hacks that I'd like to explain to you guys. But first, why is it important to work out in the first place? A lot of you guys have been away for a holiday for like either a long period of time or a short period of time. It doesn't matter how long. The important thing is, why should you keep in shape or why should you keep active? I like to stay in shape on a daily basis. I'm sitting down for like 8 hours a day. Sometimes I stand up by my desk, but if I'm not moving, I feel like my body is falling apart. Serious guys, if you're not moving, if you're not working out, your body will fall apart. It's just a matter of time. Here is my 12 hacks, and I'd like to explain them for you. So hack number 1, it says start out with working out in the morning. A lot of guys have tried working out in the morning, and it actually gives you a lot of energy for the rest of your day. I have a pull-up bar at my workspace, so I can take some pull-ups if I need that extra energy, and it actually helps. Tip number 2, does the outfit matters when you're working out? And my answer is yes. If you pick out some nice fitness clothes, you will automatically stay more motivated. And also if you pick a fitness center with a lot of girls, you also like to look your best. Not only for the workout, but you also like to look like you have a good style in the fitness center. Alright guys, so tip number 4 is music. Why is music so important? For me and a lot of you guys, it's about the state of mind when you go to your fitness center. It's not about the music lifting the weights you do. So you can do the heavy lifting while your mind trying to say, oh, I want to go back on that count. The music say and tells you, you need to get back and you need to stay in the grind, lifting those weight all the 10 sets out. A lot of people ask, should I just pick a random playlist? And my answer to that is definitely not. If you're the type of guy that likes to shuffle around while you are working out, you lose the focus on the workout. Then you rather go and make your own playlist. I recommend Spotify here. You can put in all the nice tracks so you'll not get distracted while you're working out. You just plug and play, and when the music is done, your workout should be done, and then you can get home. And that brings us to tip number 6. You always need to have some fitness gear on your hands, which means you can have a bag in the car, you can have a bag on your workspace, you can have a bag at home, ready to go, full of all the equipment with the towels, shower kit, so on. And that's fine. A lot of you guys can't fit any of your shampoos in a lightweight bag, so that's why we have all of our samples here. We have the shampoo and conditioner Duro, then we have Sidekick, and we have the Gold Digger. So no excuse bringing your stuff to the gym. You can have it in one hand actually, so it's very easy. Don't forget that your hair stays in shape as well as your body when you walk from that gym. Tip number 7. If you like to have a nice refreshment and you don't want to spend a lot of money on expensive supplements, you can cut out some nice fruit of your favorite. You can put it in the refrigerator. Then you have some kind of ice cube you can put in the bottle, and then you'll just put on water, and then you have a nice refreshment throughout your workout. Water is important when you're working out, so why not make it tasty? Tip number 8. If you like to have some extra out of your workout and have an extra pump on your muscles, you can wear a weight belt or like vest. So you'll buy a vest with like 10 to 20 kilos, just like a real Marine soldier. Then you run around for like 10 kilometers and then you'll burn out all the calories you need. Tip number 9. It might sound silly for some of you, like to working out in the fitness center, and now I'm telling you to work out at home. But it's actually not that silly, because it's very easy to get down on your hands and make some push-ups. And then you can also do pull-ups if you have a pull-up bar at home. You can install a very easy to use pull-up bar in the door. Have some nice and easy accessible fitness challenges at home. You can do it before you get to your email or favorite series. It's just very important that you stay motivated and you keep staying active. Tip number 10. If you can't afford going to the gym or you can't work out at home, then think about it in this way. Every time you like to spend money on a snack or something, put it aside, save it up. And then you might save up money for 1 month of membership. Then you can try it out and see if it's something for you. I think a lot of people gain more strength, gain more confidence, and gain more results in life. That's why I encourage you guys, if you don't have the money, save up the money, try it out. Tip number 11. So, if you guys like to have some fun motivation, go and find some old movies. It could be like Rocky, fighting his way to the World Championship, and then you can find out if there's something that can motivate you in these old movies. Fitness has been around for a long period of time, so go back in time and see how everything evolved. Tip number 12 is about having fun. You can't achieve any result if you're not having fun. Of course you can get pumped, but if you're not having fun while you're doing it, it will be temporary. Make your exercise fun, make it worth it all the time. Find out if it's the music, if it's the clothes, if it's the ladies, whatever it is, find out what makes your workout fun. You just have to find out why you enjoy working out, and then you need to practice that over and over and again. And then you can work out consistently every day, or every second day, or twice a week, or once a week. It doesn't matter, just find out what kind of workout routine works for you. So that's tip number 12, have fun, stay motivated and gain some results. And that was my 12 fitness hacks explanations. So if you like them, please comment down below, give it a like, subscribe and hit the notification button, and we'll stay tuned. You guys will stay tuned for more videos, and we like to do more of these kind of videos. So please, if you like them, remember to make that comment, and we also have the opportunity to win one free pack of Vilain products. So please participate in the comments, the likes, subscribe, and see you guys next time.